Hey, this is Sandeepan here, and this video is made for the beginners who have just started to learn C programming language. In this video, I am going to write a very basic and simple C program to calculate simple interest and explain it line by line, by which you can familiar with some very basic operations. Watch the video till end because this video is very helpful for you. So, let's get started. First, I am writing a comment to show that this is a program to calculate simple interest. So I am writing calculation of simple interest. Yes. Now we have to include some header files like stdio, conio with the file extension .h. Let's do this. Yes. Now we start our main function and under the braces we will write our further code. I am declaring some integer variables like p, n to store the principal and number of years, as well as some floating point variables like r, si to store the interest rate and the calculated interest. I am going to store some values in p, n and r like p equals 1000, n equals 3 and r equals 8.5. Yeah. Now the formula of simple interest is like SI equals P into N into R divided by 100, and I am mentioning it in the comments. This is another way to write a comment, but this way is mainly followed for a one-line comment. Now we have to print the value of calculated interest with the function printf. Now the format of printf function looks like that. And this format string could be %f, %d, %c, etc., which are called format specifiers. %f is for floating point values, %d is for integer values, and %c is for character values. These values are printed when printf function is executed. And we end our code with a return 0 because our main function is not a void type but of an integer type, so it should return a value. In this case it returns 0. So let's compile the code and run it. You can see there is no errors and no warnings. So we can run it, and the calculated interest is 255.5 0 0 0 0 0 0. These zeros are here because we take the SI variable as a floating point variable. Now, if we want to calculate the simple interest for some other set of values, we are required to make relevant changes in the program and again compile and execute it. Thus, the program is not general enough to calculate interest for any set of values without being required to make a change in the program. To make the program general, the program should ask the user to input the values of P, N, and R through the keyboard during execution. This can be achieved with the function scanf. Through this function, we can receive inputs from user. Let's write the code. The code is almost same as the previous, just we have to make changes here. Here we use the scanf function. Here the format specifiers are used to specify the type of input values and the ampersand sign. This sign is called ampersand sign or address of operator are used to store to the variables prn. So let's compile the code and run. So you can see that it wants some input, so give the values of prn separating by a space. Then press enter and here's the output. I give the input same as the previous and it gives the output same. So that's all for today. Stay connected. If you like my videos, share these to your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.